Yogscast?
Yeah.
No.
Who would be the Lindens for Minecraft, or would there be a Linden?
Notch.
And that's a guy or a company?
It's a company, but oh, there's art right there.
I forget his name. Oh, wow.
Yes. Someone built that using blocks in Minecraft.
Wow. So
Kirby.
do they have a tool that made the image for them, or they block by block?
They probably
cat?
looked at an 8-bit version of Neon Cat and then Pop-Tart catted it in.
So tell me about the real estate thing a little more, because I remember Second Life having a business model where it
yes.
costs you to upload, it costs you to do anything interesting.
Well,
what's the deal here?
There's so much.
We'll try some of it. So what's the business model here?
The business model here is that people can either host a server on their computer, or they can buy a professionally hosted server for $20 a month.
Ah.
And usually people do option number 2, because option number 1 is just too hard and time consuming.
Do you spend most of your time on the corporate server or somebody else's server?
I spend most of my time in single player mode just to mess around with stuff, dork around in creative mode.
Okay.
Yay, more art.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yes, it is. Where was I? Yes.
Land,
yes.
server, Second Life.
But this is professionally hosted server, so it's got lots and lots of data. My friends, the ones that are in my clan, if you're wondering, have they told me where I could just kind of free build a little bit.
Right. On the corporate server? Or
on the corporate server, yes.
Yeah.
And so this is a wait for it. Okay, this is a free build city that someone has bought the land for from the server owners. So somebody has paid 200,000 Minecraft dollars, which is like, I don't know. I don't think you can actually buy money. I don't know. I don't know how it works.
So the value there is time?
Yeah.
Or assets?
Yes. And they bought a entirely new craft. It doesn't make much sense, but
set of servers, I get it.
Yes, it's an entirely new area that's not connected to any other areas on the same server. And so I can do whatever I want here. It's not like, oh no, you can't do this.
It does seem different than Second Life.
Yes. So obviously there are going to be people who run around and take advantage of the fact of, I can do whatever I want.
Would you say that this is open? So as long as you pay your $20, nobody says you can or can't do whatever?
Yes. Even if you don't play online, great, I'm stuck.
Can't you tell your way out?
Oh, yeah, there we go. Even if you don't play online, it's still worth it because of the single player survival mode and creative mode. I could have sworn there was a skeleton right there. So right now I'm in far definition mode, which is you can render stuff very far, and that's killing me. There we go. Yes.
So it seems like this doesn't need the latest, greatest video card, OpenGL driver.
Oh, no, definitely not.
Yeah,
if you have a good internet connection, you should be golden.
I see. So, would you say that people who would want to mess with Minecraft would want to mod it, or just play it?
I've had it for 2 months now, and I have not lost interest yet, so...
Okay.
Modding is for people who have played it for years and years and get bored and they want to do something else with it. Like, there's people who've made survival maps where you have to build a castle and survive without dying.
Did you pop up? Seemed like you showed me something about mods available. Was there a place for that if you wanted to go find Minecraft mods?
Yeah, there was, and there is. I don't want to use that window. Okay.
Freak out.
There we go. Loading. Okay. So you can download zip files.
Yeah.
And unzip them.
Which would potentially contain Java classes and artwork and jar files and all that good stuff.
Yes. Okay. So the current version that you can pay $20 for is called 1.0.0. Updates are free if you buy it.
Nice.
Yes. Just thought I'd mention that.
It's like RuneScape.
Yeah, sorry, homepage. Epic, epic, epic. We're loading.
Yeah.
And so, how you mod the game is you download the zip file, you open it up in a folder. You have to turn the jar file into a folder.
Mm-hmm.
You put the stuff...
So in order to turn the jar file into a folder, you unarchive it.
Yes.
Yeah. True.
And you take the class files from the mod, you put them inside the Minecraft package,
Mm-hmm.
you seal it back up as a zip, you turn
Yeah.
it into a jar, and
Yeah.
then you just open Minecraft and...
But is that for adding mods to not the corporate server, but like your buddy's server or your server on your machine, or where do mods show up?
Mods show up in single player mode for me,
Mm-hmm.
and then server mods are completely different. They're the same things, they work completely differently, and I'm not entirely sure how they work yet.
Okay. And so I think we were headed towards, are there places you can get Minecraft mods? And
Yes.
seems like...
I'm working on it.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes, Minecraft mods, they've done all sorts of stuff. They've added dragons, they've added, survival maps, like I said. They've added stuff like elemental creepers, completely useless stuff. More armor, more minerals. There's all sorts of stuff. They've added, chemistry. Like copper, tin, chemistry stuff.
Like real chemistry, or...
Yeah. Like the elemental table, periodic table of the elements, excuse me.
So, for instance, if you were a chemistry teacher and you were cool enough to know about Minecraft, that might actually be useful to you.
Yes. You can combine stuff to make other stuff.
Well, maybe
It's
we should
just not
show some
loading.
that's loading or whatever. Maybe we should show some. Is there anything else in...
I think the internet is freaking out.
Okay.
Yes. This works, of course, because it's Minecraft and it always works. Because it's magic. You don't need the internet, actually.
I see.
Yes.
What do you think makes Minecraft magic that always works?
It's perfect awesomeness.
Does it crash?
Multiplayer servers crash a lot because they're human and they're not Minecrafty and they're not perfect. But single player mode is the beast. It's epic.
So it's solid. It doesn't crash a lot, or you don't spend a lot of time starting. You think that it's written in Java might be something to do with that, or irrelevant?
Oh yeah, totally.
Still write Java.
Oh, Java done. Yes, Java is awesome because Minecraft is awesome.
Well, so balance it out for me. How the pain versus interest in modding Minecraft. How interesting is the other?
Well, for me, I'd rather just download other people's, but
understand.
that's because I'm a consumer. It still takes development, though, because you have to open it up and different things everywhere.
So how many friends do you have that actually know Java and can mod Minecraft?
No Java is an interesting word.
Well, enough Java to mod Minecraft.
2 or 3.
Okay. Are they...
14.
They're 14, really?
Yes.
So those 14-year-olds know Java?
Yes.
Enough to mod Minecraft?
Enough to mine Minecraft. Minecraft, yeah.
Are they, like, people you know locally at church?
Yeah,
People you know
school,
online?
school, and then
Wow.
I'm sure there's like some little obsessed 6-year-old who is a genius.
Oh, yeah, okay. We'll allow for it. But there's no scratch for Minecraft, for instance.
Right.
You can't just drag blocks and...
That would actually be pretty cool.
Huh.
If I never even thought of that.
Maybe we should propose that for the Scratch Conference.
Proposed. Consider it proposed.
I see. Okay. Anyway, so that's cool. I don't want to take more time up. Is there anything else about Minecraft you'd like to share or think worth mentioning?
It's, nope.
Okay, fair enough. Well, thanks much for all the information. Go ahead and wrap video and we're done.
Wrap video.
Video.
Wrap video.
Command Shift 3.
Or you can just do this.